season, but at least he headed to the win. Your thoughts?
First of all, thank you for everybody for a great season. That you've done really great work. You made us look very good. But for our season, I can only relate it to more learnings. And I think this year we did not get our targets, but I think it's a season that we've learned a lot, which we will carry over for the next season to come. We're really just excited for our next season. Thank you for these two guys and all the whole team. They really showed up in today's game and finishing the season with a great win.
Thank you, Coach. Steve Camino Lasso. Best game this season, say your best for last. 14 points, 4 rebounds, 1 6 on 4 shooting. Yeah, your rookie season, again, maybe you wish that the team is not a bit better, but for you to put out this kind of performance, you will be at least getting fair at this season. Your thoughts?
Definitely not this season, but I love you wanted for this season. Pero like what Coach Paul said, really learned a lot sa season na to, and we'll definitely take them with us for upcoming season. And yun lang, I wasn't able to score 14 points if my teammates were always telling me to shoot the ball, especially parang I've been struggling with my confidence throughout the whole season, and I'm just so lucky to have them because I know that they always know me.
Thank you, Camille, and to Rogar. That 13 points, 4 rebounds, and 2 assists as well. Can you just talk about the season that was for you personally, being trusted into having a bigger role, I guess not just with the ball, but leadership-wise as well. Can you just talk about the growth and maturity that you have endured during this entire campaign?
We didn't expect this time, but we're faced to a lot of challenges, and we didn't get the final score. We had to learn a lot of learning season. We just gonna get better for next season again.
Thank you, and with that, for now, intervention.
Coach, a lot of the storylines coming into the season ng mga tao na wala si Taylor. Kasi nga, about someone na nawala sa lineup. But talking about those who held the fort na wala si Taylor. What are your thoughts on how the team strived throughout? As Luna mentioned, a lot of challenges this season.
Yeah, you said it correctly that yeah, we unfortunately weren't able to have Favor in our roster this year, but not just the bigs contributing and filling in the gap where the void where Favor could have played, but also the guards, because it's a team effort to to work on the bigs of the other opponents. It's not just the big men that are working. But yes, I the times right now shout out to Mao, Minay, Aryan, and Christy. They've really held on the ground for the big man position. But the whole team really worked hard to try their best to contain and play against the bigger imports and even the bigger locals.
Of course, isa sa mga matulog na rookie talaga heading into your first year. Maybe not kung ano yung na-envision mo personally sa stat-wise, pero after the 14 games, ano yung mga biggest learnings na nakuha mo from your first season?
One thing I've learned is it's not going to be easy, and I can just be satisfied with what I have, and that's going to make me want to keep going and always motivate me to work hard and
Luna, for you, a little different for the first 2 seasons. The first season, it's a Final Four. This time, you guys miss it. What's going to be the mindset going into the next few seasons to, get back on that winning track? Like, what is your takeaway for this season? Yeah, what's your takeaway? Because it's different, your first year and then this one. So what did you learn from those 2 experiences? for the first 2 years?
My first year, I was new, so I was discovering, I was kind of discovering how it is. This year, I had more responsibilities. So next season, I'm gonna try to be more consistent because that's my role.
Justin. Coach, you have a couple of players graduating, but also some new recruits coming in, including Erika Phil-Am, Nabig. So just your evaluation ng what is the team gonna look like by next season?
I think the first question is yes, Christy Barikit and Erica Jimenez no longer can play next season because they've already used up their 5 years in college. Arian Saus is graduating academically, but she still has some option to return to play. But it's still up to her family and her to decide this coming off season she's gonna return. Coming next season, yes, we're excited to hopefully and have a better and more competitive roster. But the landscape of the recruitment obviously is very dynamic. So I'd rather have you guys be more excited waiting for it rather than divulging all the information right now. One thing I can say is just learning a lot from this season. We will definitely look into aggressively getting players that can fill in situations that can arise similar to what happened to K-Ball. Meaning we're hoping that in the next coming years of the program, we won't be significantly held hostage by whatever circumstance of each and every player that can happen, whether injuries or academically they won't be able to play. So that's what we are now gearing up to. We cannot just prepare for the players that will participate in the year, but also preparing for players that can fill in immediately if players cannot play.